This week in CIST 2611, we'll look at Chapter 7, Virtual Private Networks. The purpose of this chapter, we're going to look at how we provide users with the ability to establish a secure connection to a network remotely. This will be the same as if they were connected locally. So think of this as creating a secure connection over unsecured medium. So we're going to tunnel through the internet with secure endpoints. Now, some very basic VPN technology. First, the data is going to be encapsulated with a header, and it's going to be transmitted over the internet. This does not require additional technology, and we have multiple methods of connections are available, whether it's dial-up or modems, or high speed, whether it's cable, fiber optics, DSL. All of these can be used to create a VPN. Now, with VPNs, using VPN technology, not only are the remote users beneficiaries of this, but there are others as well. So site-to-site connections can be made, and this enables the organization to move away from having expensive dedicated data lines. So in this chapter, we're going to talk about point-to-point tunneling protocols, layer 2 tunneling protocols, and internet protocol security, IPsec. All right, the PPTP, it's a tunneling protocol that enables an older connection protocol, which is point-to-point protocol, and it has its packets encapsulated within internet protocol packets. So like I said, this is older technology. It's still widely used. The PPTP, it's often used to create VPNs. It consumes fewer resources than the two we will talk about next. It does operate at the layer 2 of the OSI model. Layer 2 tunneling protocol. This is a new and improved version of the PPTP. It is considered less secure than IPsec, and it's not uncommon to be used with IPsec. So essentially, it's going to be a newer and improved version of the PPTP. It does operate at the data link layer of the OSI model. Once again, the LT2P and the PPTP are considered less secure than the IPsec by many of the security experts. The IPsec, the Internet Protocol Security, was developed by the Internet Engineering Task Force. It uses symmetric key encryption technology. It can work in 2 different modes. The transport mode is where the IPsec encrypts the data but not the packet header. It does make it less secure, but it is faster. While the tunnel encrypts both the header and the packet data, it is more secure, but it is slower to use. There are some other protocols that can be used with IPsec, authentication headers, encapsulated secure payloads, or internet key exchange. Now, some types of firewalls, some newer types of firewalls use the SSL, the secure socket layer, or the TSL, or TLS, the transport layer security. And they use those to provide VPN access through a web portal. There are some other options as well for VPNs. You have built-in work. This is something that's going to work primarily for small home offices or small offices. And think of this as like your Windows firewall. This is the solutions that ever come installed in your operating system. So now larger companies are going to need additional features that's not going to be included in that. So they may go to look at the Cisco solutions. It's going to incorporate products with Cisco. It's going to work seamlessly with other Cisco products. It may be something where a service solution is looked at to where the entire process is going to be contracted out. You know, even the setup, the administration to a VPN vendor. OpenSwan, that's going to be a VPN solution. It's going to be open source, and it's going to be available for Linux operating systems. And you can also find other solutions. If you do a quick Google search um, or Bing search, you can find other VPN solutions that exist as well. So to recap this chapter, VPNs provide a secure way of connecting remote users to the network. We have the 3 different protocols that can be used. We also have the SSL, TLS. Um, they can be used to create a secure VPN connection with the web access. You do have VPN solutions that are built into your operating system, but they're a lot of times are not going to provide the needs for the size of an organization, so they will go outside and look for other options.